Good morning. We are always making something. I'm hungry. It's 11:11. I gotta make something to eat. What I've got here is some zucchini, 2 eggs, some goat cheese, some onions. Gonna saute those in a pan with some olive oil to get started. As always with Always Making Something, this is no recipe. We're just putting together some zucchini we've got and making something tasty. My pan has already been preheated. I've had it on a low flame for about 4 minutes, so you're going to see this olive oil just shimmer as soon as it starts. It's a sign that your pan is warm. Got it quite warm, so you're going to add some of your onions to begin, just enough to cover the base of your pan. When your pan is hot like this is the way to caramelize the onions. So because zucchini is such a tender veggie, we're not going to get it into the pan until we're almost done. If you want your zucchini to stay nice and crisp and firm, who doesn't like a firm zucchini, you're going to wait till later to add that. The onions have been going for about 2 minutes. Now we're going to add all this zucchini. So this was 1.5 really skinny zucchini, so baby zucchinis. And we're going to let those go for another minute. I'm going to do thyme and tarragon, so it's going to be my herby egg dish with that beautiful goat cheese. Alright, so here I am. Now I'm going to do my same trick where I get my eggs in the center. I'm going to do 5 eggs for 2 people. It's going to be a challenge for me to one-handed crack some eggs, but we'll see how I can do this. You know, if you don't try, you don't learn. We're always trying something. We had a motto this year, everything proposed will be you doing it. So here I am doing a one-handed video. This is the point at which I want to add my tarragon and thyme. So your herbs are more delicate than your other pepper and salt and garlic and spices. So you want to add those close to the end of cook time. I'm going to add those now. This is my makeshift lid. I've had this egg now on for this lid on for almost 2 minutes. Those are my eggs cooked on the bottom. My trick here is to turn off the heat and then to flip these eggs. People are very particular about how they like their eggs. I like mine still a little bit soft, but not runny. So flip that. Gonna flip that one. I lost all my pretty herbs with that view, but that's how it looks like flipped. We're going to let it sit while we prep our serving plates. I'm at 2 minutes and 30 seconds here. What I've got is 2 prepped plates. I've got my eggs and zucchini. Combat, there we go. What the? Doggy finds an intruder. We're going to continue on. Eggs, herby zucchini with sauteed onion, served on a bed of spring greens, wild greens, woohoo, it's party, and a little bit of avocado. One of these plates, this one here, is going to have a little goat cheese on top, but for my vegan lover, it's going to be just like that. Hope you enjoy. And this is my beautiful plate with the goat cheese on top. Snap. That's good.